Power, stability, and precision. Meet the Westinghouse EPX 3500, built with cutting-edge anti-tipping technology for a worry-free clean. When it comes to pressure washers, the Westinghouse EPX 3500 is in a class of its own. With 2,500 psi at initial discharge and 1.76 GPM of water flow, this compact machine delivers a powerful punch, tackling the toughest grime with ease. From oil stains to mud caked on your driveway, it's engineered to handle it all. What sets this washer apart from the competition? Its revolutionary anti-tipping technology. Thanks to a low center of gravity and 4 360-degree quick lock wheels, you get seamless maneuverability across any surface. Forget about frustrating moments where other washers tip over. This one stays grounded, following you smoothly as you clean. Designed with versatility in mind, the Pro-Style steel extendable wand gives you control and reach, paired with 5 quick connect nozzle tips. Whether you need a narrow 0 degrees blast for deep stains or a wider 25 degrees for large surfaces, you're covered. And with the onboard 20-ounce soap tank, you can load up on detergents to easily break down tough grease and mildew, making cleaning more effective. Weighing just 19 pounds, this unit is built for portability. Its compact size and super lightweight frame makes storage effortless, without compromising on power. And when you're done, the Easy Coil 25 feet nylon braided hose makes packing up just as smooth as the cleaning itself. The total stop system ensures the pump only runs when you're pressing the trigger, conserving energy and prolonging the pump's life. This level of smart design, combined with Westinghouse's 3-year warranty, makes it a reliable and efficient choice for home use. If portability is your thing, the best Ryobi pressure washer is ready to play on the screen now.